Hi and welcome, Lisa here with a product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps Tropical Toucan stamp set. I'm going to share a few details about this stamp set with you while I share a quick and simple card. Now I'm going to stamp the entire set out for a closer look, and the set has 3 images and 6 sentiments. Now the largest image in this set is approximately 2 3/8 of an inch by 2 3/4 of an inch, and the smallest being the silly totem, and it measures 1 inch by 1.5 inches. Now you can color the images using your favorite coloring mediums. I ran the image through my scan and cut. You can easily fussy cut these out as well. You can pair them with any of your favorite Whimsy Stamps stencils or dies. I'm using the Sunray stencils to create a quick and simple ink blended background that I'll run through my die cut machine shortly. Here I'm using the sentiments from the stamp set to create a black and white background directly on my card base. There's that stenciled background that I ran through the die cut machine. I'm popping up my colored image with mounting foam to adhere to the card. And there you can see the finished card. I have another sample here where I used all the stamps from the stamp set to create a really silly card. I hope you enjoyed our product reveal. Let me know what you think about the Tropical Toucan stamp set in the comments below. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Until next time, please take care.